What's going on, everybody? My name's Taylor, and welcome back to Smokeshow Happy Hour, your favorite excuse to day drink. Now, there is no national drinking holiday for this specific video, so I figured we're gonna center it around an event, or better yet, an annual sporting event that has gone back as long as 1816, I think. So this video is gonna be centered around Regatta Day. Better known as Royal St. John's Regatta, I figured for this event that has on average 30 or 50,000 people who turn out, we have to make a pretty cool floating boat garnish. So we made a lime here, and let's cut to that video really quickly. Here's how you make a lime boat garnish. Now, once you've made that garnish, I'm ready to tell you guys what the actual recipe is for today. It's basically gonna be a vodka soda with a little bit of some of that Blue Curaçao to give it that kind of ocean water look. But instead of regular vodka, we're gonna be using coconut Burnett's vodka too. It'll give it that kind of tropical vibe that I'm looking for instead of just your regular run-of-the-mill. Starting off, we're gonna grab a crystal clear ice cube. I think that one's gonna absolutely make or break this drink as well and gonna elevate it just another couple steps. 2 ounces of vodka, 1/4 ounce of Blue Curaçao, quick little stir, I'm gonna add in our lime garnish and see how well this floats. I had to swap ice cubes because mine had melted just a bit too much. And there you guys go. That is how you're gonna make your Regatta Vodka Soda. Now, before I slip away for photos, I will actually give this just one quick little sip. As you can see, it is as full as it possibly can be right now. So without moving the drink, you guys know the rules. One sip, here we go. Okay, now for this drink, I'm actually really a big fan of Burnett's coconut vodka too. Flavored vodka has just been a big fan of my life too, whether it's the vanilla vodka or the Pinnacle, the whipped cream vodka too, it's always a great thing. So whether you want to play around and try any other kind of vodka, it's completely up to you. This is just basically going to be a blue kind of base here. So using some soda water and some Blue Curaçao here to kind of drive the color of this drink is all that we're really looking for. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment if you made this garnish yourself, maybe post it on your story and tag us on socials. I always love seeing your guys' creations when you're recreating our weekly happy hours. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to turn on that post-subscribe notification bell to stay tuned to further drinking holidays or other cool garnish drinks just like this one. But thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.